If you are struggling to make meaningful investments, then having an investor mindset could be the solution. Access to right information, understanding investment strategies, market trends, risk management techniques, and much more could make the difference between success and failure. Hi, my name is Sunny, and a quick like, share alongside smashing that like button will be highly appreciated. In today's dynamic world, having the right mindset is crucial for achieving success in any field. People often ask, why is developing an investor mindset so crucial? I believe a shift in mindset is essential if you want to achieve anything in life, and investments are no different. Some people have a natural inclination to think short term while having analytical approach. Developing this mindset requires adopting certain key traits and strategies that shape how investors approach their financial decisions. Key personality traits of a successful investors include ability to develop methods alongside investment goals, should be able to do risk assessment, to just name a few. Embracing a long term perspective is the key ingredient for developing an investor's mindset. Usually, investments are intended for long term, so being patient and not getting swayed by short term market fluctuations is a key quality. You should be able to identify opportunities while keeping an eye on market trends or spot any emerging sectors. Often, smart investors are known to divest their emotions while making investment decisions. Continuous education and updating your knowledge could give you an upper edge, so stay in sync with latest investment strategies or trends. At the end, stay focused and practice patience as wealth creation takes time. Like they say, Rome was not built in a day. You need to put in the hard work by educating yourself to begin with, where reading or even coaching will come in handy. As there are multiple investment strategies and ways, so exploring your options could be a good start. Next, develop your understanding about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, to just name a few. Align your investment decisions with your goals while creating a roadmap for success. Learn how market trends or different economic factors impact your emotions and investments so that you can rebalance your portfolio if the need be. Lastly, learn from your mistakes because an investment mindset is an ongoing process that requires learning, adoption, and discipline. There are three goals for a true investor. First is capital preservation, where you protect the initial investment and minimize risk to it. You can focus on low risk or defensive investment strategies like government bonds, high quality blue chip stocks, or cash equivalents to achieve this goal. Second, capital growth. Here you try to maximize your returns while increasing its value over time. The goal is to seek opportunities that have potential for significant long term appreciation, often without taking too much risk. Third, focus on positive cash flow. This is what differentiates seasoned investors from seasonal ones. Positive cash flow enables them to achieve a truly passive income while underlying asset appreciates as well, which helps you build generational wealth. Becoming a seven figure investor requires a dedication, discipline, and a strategic approach, and I believe there are some key steps you need to follow. Setting ambitious but realistic financial goals that are measurable surely would inspire and motivate you. Find networking events, join investment clubs, or participate in online investor groups as they will widen your thought process. Always do your research with due diligence to find promising opportunities. There is no magic bullet to wealth, so I believe remaining disciplined and with having strategic approach to investing, you can increase your chances of becoming a seven-figure investor. Remember, having persistence, ongoing learning with ability to adapt while taking calculated risk you too can be a successful investor. Embarking on journey to cultivate an investor mindset is a decision that can shape your financial future. By understanding and integrating these concepts into your financial journey, you can position yourself for success. It is crucial to remember that investing is a long term game. Such a mindset needs patience, discipline, and a focus on the bigger picture. By setting ambitious yet realistic financial goals, developing a comprehensive plan, diversifying your portfolio, and continuously educating yourself about investments can lay the foundation for long term success. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation, and don't forget to do your own due diligence. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.